ऐसे हम लोग जाएंगे. आपको कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
In first grade, what topics you will be covering in creative writing? It will be every week one creative writing?
Yes. Every week they will do one creative writing.
Okay.
So suppose like I said, my mother, we did 5 sentences.
Yes.
Now they will write, like you must be knowing, now we are doing one sentence. Now I will only give 5 words. They will write the 5 sentences of my mother on their own. So like that, every class they will do one exercise of creative writing.
And comprehension also.
Every class, yes.
But right now they are doing comprehension on their own, or you are helping them?
They are doing on them. So what we do, comprehension, each sentence, one child is reading each sentence.
Okay.
Even question, every child gets a turn to read. So it goes turn by turn. So everyone reads, the child who is reading the question will answer the question. So all the question, all the child will, like everyone will not say, but everyone gets enough chance. So they all are doing on their own. Even when we write spellings, so for senior KG, we do revision of, because see in school they are doing 3-letter words, so I have to do with them. So when we write in the notebook, हम लोग पहले 3-letter word का एक family every day करते हैं, फिर जो हमारा नया topic है वो करते हैं. In first grade हम लोग blend के जो senior KG में किया है वो लिस्ट पहले लिखते हैं, फिर लॉन्ग वावल और वो लिस्ट लिखते हैं. तो एवरी ईयर पिछले साल का रिवीजन तो होता ही है, क्योंकि बच्चे स्कूल में अभी वो कर रहे हैं, तो मैं एकदम तो नहीं छोड़ सकती, वो मुझे साथ में लेके ही चलना पड़ेगा. तो हम लोग वो भी करते हैं. तो इवन जब मैं बोलती हूँ ना, तो everyone gets a chance. If I say suppose stop, ST words we are doing, if I say stop, one child will say the spelling and everyone will do. Next word the next child will say. So that way only they are involved. If I say and then write, then sab idhar udhar. So to grab their attention also, I have to give everyone a chance, so that they are waiting for their
But are
chance.
they able to read the instructions in senior KG right now?
Not all, most of them yes. Not all. I will see, like suppose following and all that. So yes, so that they may not be able to do, or even they are reading, they are not comprehending as they have to.
Because reading they are reading, but when it is time to answer the question, they don't know what they have read.
What they have to do, yes. This will take a time, and this is only the challenge in grade 1.
Yes.
Because grade 1 teacher will give the worksheet and they have to understand and do. They know, abhi like they know he, she, it kab use hota hai, but they don't know their pronouns. So that tagline, what they have to circle the pronoun, underline the pronoun, ki karna kya hai. All that will take a little time. Abhi they are not doing on their own, so it will take a little more time. See what happens, senior KG mein we do a lot of phonics. In first grade, first half we do, there is a more weightage on phonics. After Diwali, the weightage goes to grammar. I cannot just shift like that. It has to be little gradual, so that it is easy for the child. The same pattern follow होनी चाहिए, तो ही वो कर पाएंगे. I cannot give everything new to them कि उनका confidence ही नहीं रहे. तो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के थोड़े इनिशियल में तो वी विल डू 4-letter के मैंने लॉन्ग वावल्स ऑफ कोर्स, बट द इजी वंस ऑफ फोनिक्स का वेटेज ज्यादा रहेगा. क्योंकि एक चीज हमेशा याद रखना, एक बार बच्चे 4th 5th में चले गए ना, उसके बाद अगर आप उसको स्पेलिंग सिखाने बिठाओगे ना तो नहीं करेगा. तो अभी भले हम थोड़ा स्लो जाए, पर अभी स्पेलिंग ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है टिल 2nd ग्रेड. उसके बाद तो सब ग्रामर वो करना ही है उनको. टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन्स दे आर गोइंग टू डू एवरी ईयर टिल 4th 5th ग्रेड. तो अगर अभी एक आध चीज नहीं समझी या रूल्स ऑफ प्लूरल नहीं समझे, इट्स ओके. वी कैन नॉट बी वेरी कि फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में जितना सारा सब आना ही चाहिए, दैट यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम देम.
And in first grade onwards, are you taking little exams, some like after 6 months or something?
There is no formal exam, but I tell you, my sheets are only my exams. Like today also I told them, this sheet you have to do on your own, this is an exam.
Because till senior they don't have exams. From first grade they have exams, so they should know what is exam and how it is supposed to be written. Like suppose. If
So what? Suppose we have done a topic in the beginning of the year. एक महीने बाद वो टॉपिक की सेम एक वर्कशीट होगी, which I will tell them you have to do on your own. This is an exam. So एक formal exam नहीं होगा, but I know that this sheet is to evaluate them. So how much they know. So then they do it on their own. So today also we did one worksheet on your own. You have to do. Then if a child doesn't know, because I don't want to put them into that exam pressure, and I don't want to do grading and all that.
No, but they should be.
Yes, that they do.
What is exam?
Yes, that they do. See, understand, doing a sheet is only an exam for them. So the way one sheet you can use for so many things. You can use for revision, you can use to teach. Even you must have seen, we do half worksheet here, half worksheet I give for homework. The purpose is so that you will read and then they do it. होमवर्क करने का भी तरीका, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू डू द होमवर्क. व्हेन आई गिव यू राइट द वर्ड्स, डोंट राइट फुल कॉलम इन वन डे. एक दिन में एक वर्ड 10 बार नहीं लिखना है, सारे वर्ड एक बार लिखना है एवरी डे. होमवर्क भी मिलता है तो आप इक्वली डिवाइड करो, क्योंकि वो पूरे हफ्ते का होमवर्क है, वो एक दिन का होमवर्क नहीं है. अगर बच्चे ने एक दिन किया है तो वो वेस्ट है, न उसकी हैंडराइटिंग प्रैक्टिस हुई है, न उसने कुछ लर्न किया है. इट इज शेयर वेस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड पेपर, कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो I tell you how to do the homework. So this is the way I will not take the formal exam, but for each child I know कि किसको क्या आता है किसको क्या नहीं, because then they do the worksheet, that is a test. Every sheet is a test for them. That is it.
And here you are teaching them jolly phonics only, the song A, ants on my arm, that.
No. We are not doing jolly phonics.
Yeah, so then how?
See, I have curated my own phonics.
Song also and
Yes, everything is there. For each letter, song, action, story, everything is there, and I show them video.
It will not mismatch with school and your thing. They will not get confused.
See, if for one thing, if they are learning 2 rhymes, nothing wrong in it. It will be an add-on rhyme.
Achha.
So there is no confusion in that. They can sing their school rhyme. As it is, suppose they are doing 2 rhymes at home, you must be teaching one more rhyme and rhymes at home, no, just to improve the language. So it's okay. There is no confusion. Because sound is sound, it will remain the same. So there is no confusion in that. I show them story also with each letter. So they learn a lot of vocabulary with each letter.
Okay.
In the song also there is vocabulary. The song is as per the words that are there in the...
There will be comprehensive question answer also you will be taking them.
It will at the end of the... in junior, yes. At the end of the year. We will start from around February.
So before Diwali you will be doing only teaching them writing. And
We
writing
will-
though they know already in nursery.
We will do capital small writing. We will do sound, beginning, ending, middle sound. And we will do 2-letter word. All the 2-letter words. Like at, an, am, go, no, to, do. All that we will finish till Diwali.
Till Diwali.
Yes, after Diwali we will start 3-letter के sound वाले words and side words all together.
Writing also.
Yes, writing also.
Will that be more of a homework sort of thing, or
Homework is, there are few sheets which half they do here, half they have to do at home. Because sight word and all, if I say THE the एक बार में नहीं आएगा. तो उसका practice, you have to give them practice. So I make them say and circle here. 3 times writing on top they do for homework, and around 5 to 6 words writing in the notebook, and after Diwali they will get.
and it will be a fun session for them? Like
Yes, as just now I told them, we play game, we do that. The format of the class also I told you, we do
So
revision.
once a week is enough for them. I
Yes,
think.
they are doing it. It is enough. The work and the homework that you will get, that is why I am saying that please divide them equally throughout the week, so that every day you are picking up a worksheet and doing it. Even if the worksheet is done, at least pick up the worksheet and read.
How exhausting?
This is for both juniors.
How exhausting or how big is the worksheet for a week?
They are around 10 to 12 pages for junior KG, and like circle and all that. So it's
Not a big deal.
no, hardly 6 to 7 words they just have to circle, or beginning sound to match the beginning sound, or write the beginning sound. So it's not a big deal for them.
Okay.
And that too, half they are doing here, half they will do at home. So it's not a big
Because
deal.
next year I think writing would start for them, right?
Yes. Of course, junior so they have to write.
Nursery, junior.
They must
already they are writing.
they must be writing capitals
Yeah,
already.
uppercase writing.
Capital they must. Every school usually starts capital first.
Yeah.
Only the problem comes to lowercase. Which school?
Vasanji.
So their cursive is little different. So that cursive will only be a Visanji cursive and Utpal's cursive are very different.
Acha.
All the schools cursive is different.
Cursive is also different. And when that starts, cursive writing.
Next year only, no, you
So
start.
junior only start.
Yes, they will
Okay.
learn with cursive only.
Oh, I did not know that.
Basic cursive only. That is why they are separating.
Acha.
Why they don't do it together? Because cursive is taxing. So junior mein they finish the capital, so
Okay.
that they can concentrate now on the full year. They are
No,
only.
nursery they are finished now capital letters.
Yes, so junior full year they will be doing this. At the
This
end they will do.
cursive.
Yes, at the end they will do 2-letter और थोड़ा सा. बाकी पूरा साल उनको cursive ही करना है.
Acha, okay.
So they will take full 1 year to teach them
They
cursive.
did not start writing.
No, but they are doing.
But tracing they must be doing.
Yeah.
And then with tracing they know. So if you give them, they will write A, B, C, D तो आराम से लिखेंगे.
Yeah,
That is not a task.
That is writing from A to Z on
Yes.
our own.
That is not. Because they do a lot of tracing in school, patterns and all that. They do a lot in school. Now the challenge is cursive only, lower case.
How is the batch size?
Here it will be around 6 to 7. Might 8 or 9 it might be, depending on the grade and the this thing.
And timing is 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours, once a week.
Would there be a lunch break or some break?
No, wait. 1.5 hours में what break I can
Just
do?
asking.
They go to washroom, that break they get. So they go, every time one break washroom का हो ही जाता है. Other than that, I cannot, there no food allowed in the class.
That's okay.
That I cannot allow.
No, that's good. That's good.
Timing, what you have said? Timing.
Junior mostly will be 5 to 6:30.
This one.
Wednesday 5 to 6:30.
Which one?
Most probably. There might be a change, but as of now.
This one.
Okay?
What about second standard?
Second, they will do grammar, like what grammar we are doing now. We will do a lot of grammar. Phonics will fade out. इतना भी phonics नहीं होगा. Grammar हम बहुत ज़्यादा अभी डिटेल में करेंगे. तो जैसे नाउन के 3 टाइप्स करेंगे, तो उसकी लिस्ट अभी नोटबुक में लिखने का भी बहुत आएगा. तो जो चीज़ हम इसमें करें, जैसे प्लूरल के हमने रूल्स किया, अभी हम सब नोटबुक में भी लिखेंगे. तो एस का भी हो जाए, तो वो सब नोटबुक में उसके एग्जाम्पल्स. तो सेकेंड में दे राइट अ लॉट इन नोटबुक, क्रिएटिव राइटिंग बढ़ जाएगा, ग्रामर इन डेप्थ होगा, ग्रामर के टॉपिक्स बढ़ जाएंगे.
So which month it will start from?
June 9th we will start. That is second week of June. Usually school start. I used to start from 1st of June, but parents are only not there because unless and until school reopen, no parent is coming back from their mother's place. So no point starting. So 9th June we will start. We work till the end of April. 2 weeks vacation for Diwali, 10 days vacation for Christmas, and we like all the festival. If it is on your day of class, it will be holiday. So we follow school holiday list, but still we finish our curriculum hours.
What if we are not there for a particular week?
You can, if you are not there on Wednesday, you can let me know. I can adjust on Saturday. That's adjustment we can do.
So this year their year is starting from April. So from April onwards they will be having afternoon school. So this year April month they won't be able to come 5:30 to 5 to 6:30.
Actually, their time will only change.
Yeah, because they are now in afternoon slot. So that this April month, till March they are okay.
They are okay. 4 classes of April will have to
Four
adjust.
classes
No?
of April.
We'll adjust on Saturday. Now there is no other option. So maybe Saturday prior we'll start something. I'll let
So
you
they
know.
will be cleared from April. onwards.
Yes. But we will start our curriculum from June.
That's fine.
Haan. Because as it is, there is no connection. So no problem.
Senior and first run also you'll be having once a week class, right?
All the grades are once a week, 1.5 hours. And they do really well. Initially, I used to take twice a week, 2 hours, but then it is too much for the kids.
Is it?
It's enough for them. You can do other activities. No, why doing one so much? So you can.
No, I have no
I
idea.
told her next year से start करो मेरा
He
बच्चा.
is like he don't give
इतना stress
pressure.
मत लो
नहीं
मेरे से.
जूनियर दे नीड. अगर नहीं करोगे ना जूनियर में, then senior. As I told you, you will realize your mistake in grade 1. Right now there are many grade 1 parents which are really feeling कि base नहीं है तो बहुत मुश्किल जा रहा है.
But I think she's picked up the language, but I think
But still, see, there are a format that they have to do when they study. तो वो जो एक पढ़ाई का जो format होता है ना, that they will not get at home. वो वर्कशीट जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, तो वर्कशीट करना भी तो आना चाहिए ना.
my problem is focus with her. My daughter is not focused. So more than studies, I want her to get focused at one.
And socializing, there are so many other things.
Socializing,
Awesome.
she is full on, but she don't. She has
Problem is
with
focus. So that's what I'm saying. More than vocabulary, I think I want to focus on. But I will discuss it out and see.
Yeah, see, all the aspects are covered because the way we do, everything is covered. As I told you, I know each child का किसका क्या है, किसका क्या नहीं है. तो focus is not a problem here. They do their work very interestingly, excitedly. They write in the notebook. Then तो अभी वो format में बच्चे ढल गए 6 months. They know कि अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं. So they do it very well. कोई problem नहीं है. Like एक worksheet का depending on their mood. Suppose if today they are not in a mood to write, we'll just circle. If I feel they are in a mood, so next day we can write those words which I wanted them to write. So my also the way I go depends on the day, the mood. बहुत सारी चीजों पे फर्क होता है. तो एक ऐसा फिक्स नहीं है कि इतना मुझे कराना ही है या ऐसे ही कराना है. It depends फ्रॉम क्लास मूड, तो किसी का कुछ कब होता सब है, मे बी किसी बैच का कुछ आगे हो गया, किसी बैच का कुछ पीछे हुआ, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मेनी अदर फैक्टर्स लाइक दैट.
Yes, of course.
So that flexibility is always there. अभी I'll give you an example also कि एक picture है. Now today only there was a picture for junior KG. उसमें window में moon है and curtains थे. Now it could have been moon, it could have been night, it could have been anything. That child took moon, M ठीक है. I mean I cannot change कि नहीं ये night है तो N ही लिखो.
Right. That.
और W है कि window है तो W ही लिखो. That I change as per the child. At least उसने moon recognize करके M अच्छा लिखा ना, for me that is also good. So it depends on the child. If the child is very smart and I want कि उसका W ठीक नहीं है, then I will make that child erase कि no this is verb window W, क्योंकि I know उसका W का sound ठीक नहीं है. So all that flexibility I have to do with individual child. So that is always there. I have to understand that child and go to his or her level. So this is especially after COVID. Like अभी तो ये बच्चे ठीक है, but those who are COVID kids,
Online.
it was a lot of problem. You cannot say कि first standard का यही syllabus है. First standard में some were doing single letter, some were doing 3 letter, and some were doing blends, and some were doing first standard का ही level. It was very difficult. So after that वो एक आदत हो गई है कि बच्चे को क्या है उसके हिसाब से tweaking is always there in all the classes. So I cannot कि इसमें ये करा तो इसमें यही कराना है, ऐसा नहीं होता. Even the word list, the depth की कितने depth में मुझे उस topic में जाना है depends a lot on the batch. I cannot teach them अगर नहीं, और अगर बहुत bright और कर रहे हैं तो I will go beyond कि करो. तो कितना stretch करना है उनको, कितना देना है depends a lot on the child. So we cannot overburden them, neither we can leave them. थोड़ा सा push तो करना पड़ेगा. Everything, reading, writing, सब में करना पड़ेगा. Okay.
Thank you.